What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're finally going to be taking this car to the track. We got the Z already ready. We welded the differential on this car already, so we're going to be freaking set. Actually wanted to take a second to show you guys some new wheels we just got. Yes sir, super clean SSRs are about to go on this thing right now. All right guys, wheels are on the car. Time to get this thing lowered and see how it looks. I might have to do some adjustments, and I'm most likely gonna have to do some adjustments on the coilovers and make them lower, or get meteor tires. I'm not sure yet, but guys, I think this is gonna look awesome. Yo, there it is, guys. I think it looks freaking awesome. I know I'll have to do some adjustments on the coils, of course. Here in the front, guys, we're sitting at a 3. That's unacceptable. We definitely have to lower the front for sure. The rear can stay where it's at right now until I get meteor tires, because I'm not going to be running the same setup, of course. So that's fine. But for the front, I'm definitely going to be running the same setup. So I'll be lowering this front end on this car and making sure that part is going to be settled. But gosh, dude, these freaking wheels are awesome. Hell yeah. Here at the track, we're getting in line. We're gonna pull up with the homies out here. It's gonna be sick. All right, boys, here it is. This is where I'm gonna be drifting at today. Because all the homies are posted up over there with sync. It's gonna be fucking awesome. You got the beginner's level on this left side right here, or kind of like, not beginner's level, but kind of beginning to intermediate, and then you have the pro where everybody's gonna be competing in this lane, the fast lane, I guess you can say. You have the slow lane, fast lane, and holy shit, who is this motherfucker right here? Oh, yo!
Hello, you got money for me?
Oh, yep, let's do it.
Hey, how y'all doing?
You got 0 to 60, what's 0 to 60 on that thing, man?
0 to 60 in fucking week.
Damn. Okay, you got the R888s on that thing.
Yes, sir.
Hooking and booking, my boy. I see that.
You got the hookers.
Oh, hookers? Oh. Yeah, I don't know if I can add that to the video, bro.
Oh.
They might just...
Demonetized?
Yeah, they might get demonetized, bro.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Welcome. This is Driveline, Santi Drift, R1 Performance, Sync.
Yes, sir.
You got Evan.
What's up, man? How you doing?
You got Evans, BMW.
Let's go. What's up? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah.
This is Santi's BMW.
You guys have probably seen this anywhere on Instagram. You guys follow a lot of drifting stuff. This car go hard. Both of these cars, I mean, all these cars right here go hard as hell.
And this is the LS swap G35 that we have.
Oh, LS.
It's giving us starter issues.
Starter issues.
Yeah, but
that's typical LS stuff, though, right?
Yep.
Y'all remember this car, guys? Bro, I think I've maybe videoed this car once before. Like before it became a drift car and all that kind of stuff, where we're just like having our own venture thing going on.
Yeah.
This car was like one of the first few cars into the venture group, and it was fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing's come a long way.
Yeah. I had to donate the front wheels to the LS, and I was gonna put the angle kit on this one, but we ended up saying, you know what, we're running on that one.
Okay, so we have an LS swap G35 with the full FDF angle kit on this car right here. Yo, this is a 6.0 liter, right?
No, this is actually a Gen 3.
Gen 3.
I call it the Facebook Marketplace special.
Oh, okay.
So,
almost like the junk car special.
Yeah,
oh,
the junk
man.
Well, the thing is that I was gonna install this engine into that 350Z.
Yeah.
But we ended up, you know, deciding into just destroying this G35 body and drifting on this thing.
Yeah.
Since I had the angle kit, it was already welded. We just had to add an e-brake, test out what the engine can do. I'm kind of scared because there is no oil dry sump on this thing, and LSs are known to blow with no oil dry sump.
Yeah. You just have to drive it a little bit more careful.
So yeah, we have to be a bit more careful with this thing. We're having issues with the starter, having heat stroke issues.
Heat stroke? Oh shit.
What?
Heat exhaustion? Heat stroke?
Heat stroke? What? Fucking
Added,
shit myself.
you added starter fluid. Starter fluid. Ricky! What's up, my boy? How are you, man?
Good, man. How are you?
Good.
Where's your car at? Over there?
Yeah, it's chilling at the pits. Yes, sir. First drift day for me.
Yeah, bro.
It's gonna be sick.
Excited.
Yes, sir.
Where am I think it might be the little eyes.
This is freaking sick.
Look inside.
Here inside we got a harness bar. We got a hydro from Drift HQ. Guys, we just have a lot of goodies in this car. They're gonna rip today, and it's gonna be a good event. All right, guys, here we go. Start of the time. Get this thing started. Let's do it. Be a first lap right here, boys. It's gonna be super sick. It's okay, yeah.
I just didn't go outside.
Yeah. Woo!
How was it?
Spun out, but I'm okay. control. That's all it is.
Good.
That's good.
You got a good setup.
Yeah, thank you. Yo, it's the next day. Your boy made it back home. Barely, guys. I think the fan stopped working. I haven't really gotten into it, but of course all of my cameras decided to die at night, so I didn't get any footage of what happened. Basically this car, and as you can see in this video right here. Well guys, this is a short-term video. I was hooning around this car all night, and I think I blew a head gasket. I don't know. Either that or my radiator, thermostat or something got messed up. I leaked cooling all over the place, and yep, that goes this video. I guess we'll find out in the next one. I was on set ready to go, and for some odd reason the car decided to go into lit mode, had no throttle response whatsoever. And as you guys saw, the low fuel light came on and the coolant temperature stopped working. So I don't know what the hell just happened, but anyways, I took it back to the pits, and all the coolant leaked out of my reservoir from here. And I thought I blew my head gasket. I thought I was done, and this engine was done, toast. But no, I did not see any signs of coolant anywhere else, minus this reservoir here. So yeah, I ended up bleeding it and had to drive all the way home with the heater on, and finding out that my fans were not operating right. So I guess maybe when I went off road a couple times, it might have triggered the ECU somehow and blew the fuse for the fan. I don't know what exactly happened, but yeah, just so you guys have some little bit of closure on this, I'm gonna diagnose this during the week and see what's going on with it, but hopefully it will come back stronger, better. And again, if I have any important updates, I will make a video on it and see what's up. Anyways guys, I really appreciate y'all for tuning in and watching this. It was my first track day. The car, it runs and drives fine. It just, I guess it overheats because the fans aren't operating right. So obviously common sense. So we're gonna get that figured out, get everything dialed in, and we're gonna get this thing ready for phase 2, which is probably steering wheel, seats, GK Tech angle kit, or a different angle kit on this car. I don't know yet, but we need to get some more seat time, especially. That's number one. As you guys saw, I kept spinning out. I just didn't have any driver mod, bro. To be honest, I kind of suck, bro. There's nothing better than getting more seat time in this car. That's kind of how things go. That's how you learn. So I'm gonna take that with a grain of salt, get better at driving. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, I'm really sorry that you guys saw the footage. It's not the best scenery, as I was trying to test fit the GoPro and the helmet. You mainly just saw steering wheel and, you know, my foot movements and all that kind of stuff. my other GoPro decided to just not record. So everything went wrong, but at least I have some type of content to give out, and bet something's better than nothing, right? So yeah, again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, watching me, all the homies. We had a great time. Everybody had a great time. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Bueno.